Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Worried about the environmental impact of car repairs? Many folks share that concern, and at Arts, we use eco-friendly practices to deliver quality repairs that are kind to the planet. Let me tell you about Zoe, a local environmental advocate who came to us last month. Her 2018 Honda Fit had a scratched side panel from a bike rack mishap. Zoe was hesitant, knowing some shops use harmful chemicals. We showed her our green approach, low-VOC paints, recycled materials, and responsible waste disposal. Our team fixed her fit to perfection, and Zoe said, "Art's eco-friendly repairs eased my mind. My car looks fantastic." Here's how we do it. We use environmentally safe paints, recycle shop materials, and follow sustainable practices to reduce our footprint. From dents to collision repairs, our Pomona shop ensures your car is fixed with care for both quality and the environment. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're committed to green repairs you can feel good about. Care about the planet? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. Ready for eco-friendly repairs? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Green today, great tomorrow.